Day 38, Inheritance and Polymorphism. 1. Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in object-oriented programming that allows a new class, called the child or derived class, to inherit attributes and methods from an existing class, called the parent or base class. This helps to reuse code and create a hierarchy of classes. Example: imagine you have a vehicle class that represents common properties of all vehicles. You could create child classes like car and bike that inherit from vehicle, but also have their specific properties and methods. 2. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common parent class. It enables methods to be used in different ways depending on the object calling them. Simply put, polymorphism means many shapes. It allows the same method to behave differently for different classes. Example: if both car and bike have a method called start_engine, polymorphism allows you to call start_engine on any vehicle object, and the specific start_engine method of the correct class will be executed. Simple lab. Inheritance and polymorphism. Let's create a simple lab to understand inheritance and polymorphism. Step 1. Understanding inheritance. Create a parent class, animal. Create child classes, dog and cat. This code is creating a basic animal using a class in Python. Think of a class as a template or blueprint that helps you create objects, in this case animals. Animal class. The animal class allows you to create animals with a specific name. _init_met. When you create a new animal, you give it a name, and the _init_ method stores that name inside the animal object. For example, if you create a dog, it stores dog as its name. Speak method. The speak method is an action that each animal can do. When you call this method, it prints a message saying that the animal, like dog, makes a sound. Step 2. Understanding polymorphism. Create objects of each class and use polymorphism. Explanation. Animal is a parent class with a generic speak method. Dog and cat are child classes that inherit from animal, but override the speak method to provide their specific sounds. The for loop demonstrates polymorphism by calling the speak method on different objects, each behaving according to its class type. Step 2. Understanding polymorphism. Sorry I must stop reading each time the same slide lol. Lab. Creating a class hierarchy. Scenario. Create a class hierarchy for a vehicle base class with subclasses for car and bike, each with a different implementation of the move method. Step 1. Define a base class vehicle with an attribute name and a method move. Step 2. Create two subclasses car and bike that override the move method. Step 3. Demonstrate polymorphism by writing a function that takes any vehicle and calls its move method.